everyone.
Namaste, Nita.
Namaste.
Today, Smita Jekar and myself are hosting a very special guest from Romania. We have with us Cosette Kozik.
Hello.
Namaste, Cosette.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes,
Thanks.
she runs a company, Power of Rudraksha by Cozy in Romania. My association with Cosette goes back more than 7 years, where she came running after finding that her interest lied in some bead which she discovered in a very mystical manner. And she came to me to get more knowledge about it. She has been visiting India every year to learn more about Rudraksha, to learn more about chakras, to know more about Vastu, Indian spirituality. So today we would like to hear her story and also know that how people in Romania are coping up with the corona problem. Okay.
Yes.
I remember the first time I met Cosette, as I said, 7 years back. She just came to my office with an Indian friend. And when she came, she was very interested. What is this Rudraksh? Is it something to eat? Is it something to drink? It is something to wear? What do you do with it? When I first saw her, I thought she's an actress. She's so beautiful.
Thank you very much.
But then as I came to know her more, I saw that she's totally dipped in spirituality. She was like a sponge, ever ready to take in everything I taught her. Thank you. Because she had come to get that knowledge. All she had done is she had touched the bead. That's it. She had touched the bead and she knew it was something very close to her. But when she came to me and when I started talking to her about chakra and Rudraksha, it was like she knew about it. She knew everything about it.
And never write. And never hear about that.
Yes.
Everything was here somewhere. I don't know. The God was to give me this mission and say, this is your way in this life. To know Rudraksha, to help the people, to know how is a benefit. But everything comes very, very fast. And I learn very fast. We spend hours and hours and days by days with Nitaji and say, my God, in 7 days, you learn like another people in 5 months.
Yes.
Wow.
Everything goes fast. Everything was from the heart, I think. My heart was very open about Rudraksha. And maybe in another life, I used to stay in India. I don't know. I feel very good. If I go in Paris, Germany, London, I don't know. I feel to go home very quickly. I cannot stay. But in India, it's not time for me. I feel I'm from there.
And Smita Cosette comes every year to India and she stays 12 to 15 days. And every day she's telling the time is running. The time just runs.
It's true. And don't forget when I come first time and you know how I came?
Yes.
And I say, wow, my God, how I discover you. I was like that. How I discover you, Nita, and this Rudraksha. And Nita also told me, not Cozy G. Rudraksha discover you. Rudraksha, she want to give you this mission. Not, it's like that. This is your way. And was very right. Right. Like something, I don't know, somebody here, you say, oh, this girl is crazy. I'm not. Because I was for business, and for me it was only money. And to have a lot of houses, to have, crazy life, everything. But I don't was happy. Something was missed, something. I don't know if I buy a watch, if I buy a diamond or this, not happy, not here. I don't feel it. And what happens? The God also give me very, very ugly accident in the ski. I broke my leg, very, very bad accident. And when I was to stay in bed to recover, like this time I discovered Rudraksha. And why I discovered Rudraksha? What was to write in internet? How is? She was to say only these words, anti-aging. And because I'm crazy, all the girl is crazy, all the women is crazy, is to look nice and young, anti-aging. And I think, my God, what is this? It's like a coffee, it's tea, what is, I want to drink, to eat. And I called this friend of mine from India, this Sanket, friend of us. now. And I ask, I want Rudraksha. What is this Rudraksha? I want to drink his pills. Say, oh my God, you are crazy. This is a sign. This is a spiritual. I don't care. I want it now. In 48 hours, I have to have a lot of Rudraksha from India to feel it.
You know, this
Yes.
person sent lot of rosaries and malas to her so that she can feel whether Rudraksha is for eating or drinking or wearing. She didn't know that.
And you know what happened? The God give me the best way to learn about Rudraksha and to find the only one company who know how exactly to put this Rudraksha, because if you put it in a bad way, wrong way, after it's not good. And the God give me Rudraksha Ratna Science Therapy through Nita. You understood? How was because it's lot of internet Rudraksha. Why the God give me Nita? You see?
Yeah.
And I say, I want to go in India. I want to go now in India. And I make my ticket. I call Sanket, prepare the hotel and everything, the bodyguards there, because say, oh, it is dangerous, this country and all these things, you know. And I was, for all my friends, I go in India. Now I want to go. I go to make my visa. And this friend of mine, Sanket, arranged in consulate to give me very quickly, because I want to say like this, I want to go now. And my friends say, you have to make a vaccine to go there. You are crazy. You have to kids home. How you go like that? I say, no, I feel I have to go very quickly. And like this, like boom. But everything go perfect. Visa, and the Nitaji was to have time for me, leave everything. And I start to make school with her, and I make examination with her. And every year, I come in India and I learn more and more things about Rudraksha, about the healing chakra, about Vastu, about all the spiritual things who helped our soul.
In fact, that was my question first to you. That was my question first to you. That how did you get into spirituality? How did you get into Rudraksha? But now you told me all what happened, and actually that accident of yours.
Accident. But why? Why, Smitaji? Because I asked the God. I think about 2 or 3 years. I told you I also have everything but unhappy. My husband is good husband. My kids is okay. But the feeling here no was. And I asked the God, I was in the church, Romania church. And I asked, give me the mission here. Why I be here? What I have to do here? Please give me the mission. And she gave me the accident. And I cry and I cry. And I say, God, why you give me such an accident? And after I say, why? Because I ask you to give me something. Also to give me the accident to understood. Not the money and the jewelry and the houses, it's everything. You take nothing with you. The health is important, because I say, oh, if you have money, you buy the health. It's not true.
So
because,
beautiful.
okay, I have money, I go to clinic. After 1 year, I need 1 year to my leg to be okay. And this time I understood how most is important, the hands. The leg, everything is important. To go to stay in bed, I have a 24 hours a lady to look after me. Okay, money was to help me, but all my job was I have to do. I asked, and the God also to give me accident, and after Rudraksha came.
So beautiful. And don't you think, Smita, she has explained very beautifully that health comes from inside, you know.
Correct. And from a heart, I could feel the vibes also, you know, it's all coming from the heart. It's like touching, very touching. Very nice story, Corset. Very nice. It's really
and
nice.
Also we make with Nitaji some rules about Rudraksha, and also agree. I don't know, like somebody like Shiva, maybe she was to tell me something, and I tell Nita, I say, yes, you are right. It's good idea.
And she discovered many more things about Rudraksha, that how you can make it work more effectively, how to tune to it. So she also got a lot of divine guidance about usage of Rudraksha.
Okay, so the second question I want to ask, Corset, to you is, at this time of this coronavirus thing, how is Romania coping with it? How are you coping with it? And how is the whole Rudraksha theory also helping you in this?
Yeah. You know, in Romania, everything go very fast, and government was helping us because of we have to stay home. I have to tell you true, I go little paranoia. From before, in January, I was in Turkey, and I was in BBC about this was in China from beginning. And this time, you know, something was in my mind. I said, this is not good, can be in all the world. And when I go home, I buy food, water, mask, everything, because after all the people was crazy to go in supermarket and buy and do a lot of things. And my husband is from Serbia. This time was there and cannot come back. Even now is not here. Then I have to do along the house with 2 kids. I never do such a work in the house, but now this time I'll do. I clean, I cook, I make everything, you know. And I want to tell you some secret. It's very hard. It's very hard to be a mother and to do everything home.
Yes.
This is the most hard. Better I work and I work from the morning until the morning than to do
So true,
homework.
so true. Super.
And I
That
was
is so
crazy.
true.
And my friend was to tell me, you take it too deep. I say, no, it's not okay. Also, if you hear if you watch some movie from before many years about coronavirus, and I want to see and come in my mind, my God, what happened? And if you remember in China, the people go in the street and go down. You remember also that. Okay, I take it very hard. And my client also has to call me, and I say, we have to have faith. We have to pray. We have to make meditation to balance our chakra, because if we balance our chakra, we can handle.
Beautiful.
And, okay,
Very good.
Yeah, and okay, also the rules to don't go out, to talk with the people, to stay
Yes.
home how much possible, to do everything from home, you know, to find things to read a book, you know, to stay with you, little bit patient, because we forget to be, we are people who forget the soul. We work and work like slave, yes, from the morning up to the night, you know, from the big companies.
Yeah.
Okay, we are lucky. We do what we want, and we do what job we want. We are very lucky. The God bless us with that, to do the things we like. But some people do to live.
Correct.
And I say for my clients to, also I always care, but I say for my clients, we
Beautiful.
have to, yes, we have to work. We have also Rudraksha who is protect us. And also don't forget, make our immunity up, because if you have immunity good, you take it more easy. Maybe you take a virus, but you don't go to hospital and you don't die.
Correct.
Also, I have cough and not a temperature, but I feel like grippe. And I take some Panadol and all these things. And because I have like pharmacy home, I don't want to show you, but it's small pharmacy home, because I saw it, I was paranoid. I was to buy a lot of things. And meditation in the morning, it's good. She gives you energy. And also it's very important, the food. Not too much meat, because you know the meat is processed and have a lot of toxin. And it's good salad, fruits, vegetables, and help you slowly to make your immunity up. And slowly help you if you make meditation and ask the God to give you power to don't go crazy. Because lot of people now in Romania was little, you know, little crazy.
A lot of anxiety is happening. Yes.
Lot of anxiety is happening. Right.
We don't chat mantra, but we hear, help us. Because what happened? It's all on the body. And take everything what you have inside, heart and black and all the fear, because about the fear, we say, take it out. And after you feel like you have a power to go on, you have a power to do everything you want. Your mind is more clear. You see the things more clear. And it's very, very good. I can say for all the people to hear in YouTube is a lot of mantra. You can hear and it's good. In Romania, we say toaca in the church. They make it like this. It's also, it's one mantra. If you go in church and if you are lucky to hear that, you feel free. Everything, all the energy blockade, go out. And
Very good. Very nice.
But anyway, the things in life come. Maybe the husband shout, maybe the kid's not good in the school, maybe the money you have to pay, everything after come again inside of you. But you have every day to work. You know,
It is a continual process.
Yes.
for your balance. Yes.
Because you balance yourself, and then people come, and again you get imbalanced, and again you take out, again you dump
And
up.
all these are people, because the people, yes, this time the people was little crazy and gossip, and all this.
Okay, so tell me, Corzette, do you heal people on normal basis? Do you do healing?
With
Some healing?
Rudraksha.
No,
With
you do healing
Rudraksha,
with
because
Rudraksha.
I have.
Okay.
I was from 2013 in Romania. Knows Rudraksha for first time, and I was very lucky because I know all the actresses in Romania, all the famous people, and it's like how you bring now in India something that nobody have, but what they do these things, they give you box of Pandora. Hope. They give you hope. You sell hope. You give hope for the people. What do we have? What do we have? All humanity. What do we have? Only hope. We don't have nothing else. Only the hope. And you give them hope. And it was crazy. Like for the business, if I was prepared, because I don't was prepared about such a big business, or it's like a business. The people, all Romania on Rudraksha. I was only one. Imagine how hard it was. And after slowly, the people on lot of pressure. I said, no, it's not possible. You have to take it slowly, because your body, how you don't know how to react. And also, Nita was to tell me something. Rudraksha choose you, not you choose Rudraksha.
Correct. I agree there.
We are not prepared all for that, to take for next step. We have to make our vibration up, and after, to be friends with Rudraksha.
One more question I want to ask you. You've got a very big, huge Shiva picture behind you. Do you worship Shiva?
She loves Shiva. She loves Shiva.
Yeah,
I love Shiva.
Because,
I love Shiva. I love Rudraksha. Rudraksha is alive. It's not only science, it's something like jewelry. It's not. It's alive. If you talk with Rudraksha, but believe me, I'm not crazy. If you talk with Rudraksha and you ask Rudraksha to do something for you, believe me, in very short time.
It does.
Because the time, if maybe you make the project in 2 years, Rudraksha maybe make in 2 weeks or 2 months. Short, but she help you. If this project is not good for you, or this ask you what you ask for Rudraksha to help you in this project, or what you want, Rudraksha don't do that for you, but give you something to do better that you want, if you believe that, because I have lot of experience. Also with the people who was sick, very sick, mental, to take tablets to live. I have a lot of clients who don't take tablets, or stress from the lot of problem. Maybe from before, we don't know from where was the problem. But after the people was good. And also I have a kid who cannot talk. When was one children small, the father want to kill the baby. And the fear also big, cannot talk. After I give Rudraksha, I start to join Rudraksha, 4 months. The children was better. After I give 4, 5, and 11 together, 4, 5, 11, and all, and opens the Vishuddha.
Throat chakra.
Wow, throat chakra.
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. Nita, that's fantastic.
Another people who was to have cancer in the breast, also I give 15 Mukhi Rudraksha and some stones, because Rudraksha work also with the stones very good.
Yes.
And what happened? Rudraksha help you to find the way to do what you want. And the people, because the God, how works the God? Through people.
Wow. So beautiful. Thank you.
Through people or the God. Always. Only you have to ask. Only if you have. If you don't ask, nobody comes in the door. No, correct. You have, God, please help me. I don't know how you say for the God. How you want. It's here. The power is inside. The God is inside. We are the small God, because I'm from the God.
Very good. Fabulous.
Yeah. I would like to add that Corzette is a very popular socialite in Romania. She comes frequently on television channels. She has a lot of actors and actresses who purchase from her.
Wow.
And I was lucky. I told you. Sorry, Nitaji. I told you from beginning, because I have from actress, from a lot of people famous in Romania, and also people on Rudraksha. And the newspaper was crazy. and the television was crazy. And I say, I don't know if it's good to go into TV to talk about Rudraksha. I don't want to sell. I want to heal. It's different. And I say, I don't want from beginning. You remember, Nita? I say, I don't want to go. I don't feel. I don't know why I don't feel to do that. But after slowly, I say, okay, maybe now it's the time to know people what they do Rudraksha. And always I ask them to come in my office. I never go to TV station. And I was a lot of diploma from a lot of gala in Romania, you know, in TV station and all these things for Rudraksha, and from jewelry, and also from my brand. My brand is Power of Rudraksha by Cozy, but all the knowledge is from Nitaji. Thank you, Nitaji. Because if you don't know the knowledge, better to do something else. Better to work, I don't know, to do different things.
I can add that Cosette is a very avid learner, and in the last 7 years, she has come every year, and she has just studied and given exams. Just to
Yes,
qualify.
yes.
Also, Cosette and myself were in Punotham, Kerala last year in November. We spent a good 15 days there doing Panchkarma in the midst of our training sessions. So we had a lovely time, very enjoyable time. And Cosette, I want you to share your experience with our people.
You know, our body is our temple, how we say. And very good goes the detoxification. I make every year. Last time I was with Nitaji in Karelia. Before 1 year in Turkey. In Turkey I will go almost because it's very close to my country. And I was also in Thailand, but in Karelia was the best one, because in Romania we eat a lot of meat. You know, sometimes I eat meat, sometimes I don't eat meat, and how I say, the meat is not very good for our body and for our mind. It's a lot of toxin, and you need to clean our body, our temple. And I was there, and we make yoga. We make a session every day with Nitaji about what I have to learn more. We balance our chakra. We make meditation every day. We take ghee. The ghee was, oh my God. So,
you know,
for me, it was
we had to take so much of ghee every day. So what an experience it was.
But in the end, it was fantastic, because you feel like newborn, like a baby. There's a lot of people from another country who was to have cancer, and many every year was to come in Karelia and stay there 1 month, 1.5 months, and the people was feel better. And some people kill the cancer with treatment in Karelia, because it's one doctor very good there, and he know how to do the detoxification, because you have to go for the best one, not like you hear this make detoxification, this make, it's not like this. You have to see and to make in the Google and to ask a friend who is the best, who is real, not to be a fake, and to go there. And after for 1 year, if you make like this, a detox, strong detox, you feel very good. I want to say for the people, it's good maybe 1 time a year to make 10 days, 12 days, 14 days, if it's possible, to make detox. Nitaji, I know you, every morning you wake up 4 o'clock and you start to meditate. And I know the universe, the God, how you want to say, give you some information. And you note, don't forget. And you also told me, it's come one time and you give for the people everything, all the new information who can help us in our life. When come this time? When your book is ready? When you give me and give us new knowledge?
Definitely, whatever I teach, it is what I download. And I think that this time, what God has given us, you know, we are all in lockdown, staying at home. So definitely the book has started forming in my mind. So I really pray that this should be the time when I should be able to let it out.
Oh.
So thank you for reminding me. Definitely, I will start by penning it.
I want after to give for my client, for my friend in Romania, to read about that from, because the people in Romania also now go in spiritual things more and more and more than before. You have to be good, you have to be patient, and the God sure hear your voice from inside, and it's helping you to do what you have to do here, to learn our lesson. And if you are lucky and if you are clean, the God give you the permission to find your mission here.
True, very true.
Yes, Cosette, you have put it up very beautifully. That the external world can only give you pleasures. But true happiness comes from inside. It comes when you connect to yourself with faith. When you ask God, what is my mission in this world?
Okay.
And when you follow that path, you have all the energy, all the resources, to be successful in that path. In this time of lockdown, that is our advice to people also. That you have to spend some time with yourself, doing creative things, working on yourself and asking yourself what will truly make me happy. We have been so impatient running after external things. But what about the calling of your soul?
Yeah.
And only when you connect to yourself, you will connect to the power inside. And that will give you the emotional and mental balance. And that will give you the immunity that you desire to come out of this situation.
How nice. Wow.
That is why it is said that to come out, you have to go in. So very nicely explained. Thank you.
So we have to have our heart open. Our heart is says eyes from the
Yes.
God. If his eyes is closed, everything bad comes from you. But if you are open, if you are a good person, it's impossible bad things to come after you. And you are protected. You are blessed from the God, and you and your family, it's protected. Only if you have your heart open and to be good person. Only like that.
Yes. The lesson what Anahat Chakra teaches, Anahat Chakra, which is the chakra of the heart and God, it teaches us that it opens with truth.
With truth. Yeah.
Right. So
Yeah.
finally, everyone has to align to truth. We have no other way.
Right. And I feel those people who are not ready to transform and change, there is going to be a big shift because the earth also needs to expel a lot of people out of her system. There are too many people on the planet. So I guess people who are not ready to change and transform themselves are not ready to accept that they have to change with the planet, align with the planet the way it is just now. Then I suppose they will have to exit. I don't know how the planet is going to work, but churning is going to happen in a very big way. That is what even the predictions are of astrologers, and the planetary, the way the planets are situated now. Like in the month of June, there are going to be 2 eclipses. In the month of December, there will be 2 eclipses, which has not happened. There are strange things that are happening even in the planets. So we will have to change. People will have to change. And the earlier they realize it, the sooner they realize it, the better.
Smita ji,
Yes.
I think we have to make our vibration up.
Yeah.
With
Right.
what is possible. With basic food first.
Yeah.
After, what he give us, the God? The stone, give some
Yes.
stone, who is good.
Yeah.
He give us Rudraksha, who is magnific. Yes. He give us the sign like yantra, symbol sacro. No, Gita
Yes.
ji.
Different symbols,
You know.
auspicious
Yes,
symbols.
we need.
Yes.
And also there's a lot of things to put home, to give you better energy. And like
Right.
this, all together, make your vibration up. If you have the vibration up, it's everything good. And also the aromatherapy is very good. The
Yes.
oil is very, very good to smell, to put in the body, to make
Right.
relax.
Right.
And also the light is good. Color, to see
Yes.
the color.
Yeah,
Yes, everything help you.
There are ways are plenty to reach to the
Ways are plenty. It is
adopt anyway, but change. Whatever you require is to change, to shift from within. That is what is main important.
And don't you think, Smita, that this is the time we all healers, we are guided to push people so that everyone has to change together. The vibration has to rise.
We have to hold each other's hand and take help
Yes,
along with us.
yes. That's what our job is. That's what we are doing.
Absolutely.
What Rudraksha
Yes.
you wear?
I've got plenty of them which she's made me wear on my arm. I don't
She
know.
has got the Kalpa Vriksha with the 19 Mukhi she has got.
And one mukhi. There are so many. There are plenty of beads which I have to wear in my arm.
And
Yes.
tell me how you feel. How you feel with Rudraksha?
Very, very nice.
Okay.
Then thank you very much, Corzette, for being with us.
Thank you very much. And when I come to Nitaji, Mumbai, maybe I have a luck to see you
Yes.
and to hold you.
And hug.
I thank you, Cosette, for being with us and sharing your life journey with us. I'm sure our viewers will find it very interesting that how a lady who is a socialite, who was totally in the material world, how she transformed and became a spiritual speaker, a spiritual leader, what you are today in your country. We wish you all the best. And thank you so much, Smitaji, for being with us and guiding us. Thank you. And sharing your knowledge with us. Okay,
Have
then.
a nice time. Namaste.
Thank you.
Sunita.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste, Corzette. Namaste.
Thank you so much.